Hello everyone. I would like to give you a little tour of the Canvas class to help you navigate the course and also to cover some important things in the syllabus. When you start the class, for the first week, it will open with a welcome message from me. Please read through the message as it will cover a lot of information on the studio practice and my expectations. At the bottom of the page, there's a link to the Module 1 Start Here. This takes you to the modules, and in Canvas, modules are like little folders. These folders organize the content and information, including learning materials and learning activities. The materials include things like our summary and goals, which explains what you will be learning and doing in each module, and any other content. For the first week, things are a little light as I'm giving you a chance to get to know the course and get to know each other. Well, and also get to know me. There's a link here to a Meet the Teacher page. The learning activities can include our reading and viewing materials, which will call for a short exit ticket at the end, where you will just share 5 things that you have learned from the reading and viewing materials. And any discussions. I use discussions a lot to share pictures of your artwork, reflections on your process, how are things going, and feedback, critique. Critique is an important part of the learning process for visual arts, and we learn how to refine and expand our work and also how to better communicate. What is our work saying? Each module contains different content, and sometimes the module takes 2 or 3 weeks for us to cover, like the second module on pinch pots. It will start in week 2, but we'll continue to practice pinch pots for week 3 and even going into the future. The final pinch pots are not due until May the 2nd. So this module contains both learning materials and activities over the course of 3 weeks. There are a couple of ways to navigate the Canvas course. One is you can click kind of through the module. So if I were to start, with the welcome message, at the bottom of each item is a next button. And I can walk through the course one at a time. And as I finish an item, I can go to the next item. The other way to module is with navigating here on the left. And I can go directly to the modules. I can also go directly to quizzes, to grades. This is where you can find your grade book, directly to discussions, or straight to an announcement. I send out announcements every week, and I use them to kind of cue us into what's happening this week and, any campus information, events and things like that. Your grade book is really important. I give feedback on all of your assignments. So if anything scores below an A, you can work on that assignment, you can improve it, and you can resubmit to improve your grade. The syllabus is really important. Read through the syllabus. This is kind of our everything. This is what the course is based on, from the learning objectives, how to contact me, and a course schedule with everything we're doing for the entire quarter. So the syllabus really lays out everything that we're doing together. Read through this content carefully, and I'm going to add a little syllabus quiz. Really easy, just like 5 little questions, just to cover everything that's in the syllabus that's really important. and just to make sure that everyone understands that information, and that everyone has also read the syllabus and become familiar with the class and how to navigate the class. So everything is in here, and if you like a printed copy, there's a PDF. You can download that. You can also print that and have a copy on hand. Okay, I look forward to getting to know you in the introduction. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you're looking at this on a cell phone, it's going to look very different, or a tablet. Different browsers have a different view of Canvas, and I do recommend, especially if you're taking your assignments, to come to a laptop or computer so that you can access everything easily. They don't like to advertise it, but I really think that the cell phone access to Canvas is really just good for checking grades, checking email, and checking in. And even reading some of the content, but like typing and really like working on the class and things like that, it's really difficult. There's a lot of things that you may not see because the navigation is really different. So definitely, also have access to a desktop or laptop computer. So I hope that this helps you to get acclimated to the class, and I look forward to seeing you either at our virtual office hours or in the introduction discussion. Thank you.